something else. Eat. Let's see. Having some issues removing the safety belts from the back end of the car, or the rear safety belts, so we can finish sanding in there, and we just got to get them out of there anyways. We're gonna either see if they're any good, or probably replace them anyways, but we've been trying to take them off, and they're pretty well done in there. So this little toy I got here is just something that we could use without using without using a flame, you know what I mean, because we're at home obviously. So this is a little toy we got from Snap-on for free. I'm kidding. It wasn't for free. We paid for it. It was a lot. Let's get started. I'll talk about that. So basically what it's supposed to do is just kind of hover over the back end of the bolt here. And lock it in place. Alright. And then we've used it a couple times already, and it's pretty effective, and kind of hard to reach places where you don't want to burn stuff. You can't stick your torch in there. It actually does the job. It does have a little light, I think right here where it turns into, I think red one lets me know it's overheating. But we're gonna see how this works out for us. If we can't do it from down here, we're probably gonna have to do it from the top, because even though it is alright, yeah, so there it is. Takes a little bit, just set it on there. Just kind of have to like hover over it. Conductive heat, I think so? I don't know. I'm not a scientist. You can hear that little thing going. Kind of wish I would have taken the tire off. And you can see it. You can see like it billowing out. Now I'm just kind of hovering over it. I'm trying not to lean on it. I guess we're kind of microwaving it, I guess. I'm not entirely sure. Alright. Let's see back inside. Trick. Bam, baby. There we go. $1986 dirt and rust and grime. Now be careful, because it's probably going to be hot, so obviously. There we go. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, let's do the other side. We weren't able to move these, and as you saw, the other side came off pretty easily, so we're just going to go ahead and do this side too, so we don't have any trouble with it. And it went really quick. I guess just had to warm up the first time. And this guy's still on there. So, yeah. Oh no, here we go. Here it is. Just a little bit of muscle. There you go. Perfect. And we can still use them. So that is the benefit of using heat. Like I said, sometimes you lose, sometimes you'll lose, but I'm glad we won today. Yeah, it's like a little coil, see? I guess I gotta put in for an own. We've used it enough, I guess. But yeah, it's just conductive heat. But it's pretty. It works great.
Why do you need heat? Why do you need heat with hardboard?
Heat expands metal. So a lot of times, what we do in the shop, we just throw a little bit of cold water on it, just kind of freezes it in point and just comes off. It just expands the metal when it rusts together. You know, a lot of times you can't save it, but you give it a little bit of heat, you get it red enough, you can pull anything out. Whether it strips in there, then which means you got to repair the other side of it anyways. But 90% of the time, it does all come out. And like I said, with this thing, it just works so much better because I don't want to put a flame to that, or you know, I may be close to a gas tank, and so believe me, it does do us some good. So when you do need some heat, it's good to have one of these little guys, because like I said, it's I would say it's already paid itself off. No, not really. It's more than that. All right. Hey guys, I want to thank everyone on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, especially YouTube. Go ahead, sign on there, leave us a comment, tell us what we're doing wrong, drop us a like, and remember, stay up for the next. Subscribe. Next two are coming up. See you soon.